taping.
Was nice, the party was pumping, and everybody having a ball, until the fellas start their name calling, and the girls respond to the call. I hear a poor one shout out, "Who let the